Question 4 then. So Rail Tickets and Cheap Trains are two websites selling train tickets. Each of the websites had a credit card charge and a booking fee to the ticket price. So there's the prices for Rail Tickets, there's the price for Cheap Trains. Nadia wants to buy a train ticket and the ticket price is 60 quid on each website, so we can double up on some of the working out here. Paying by credit card, and I just want to work out which one it's going to be cheaper between. So I'm going to start with 100% of the price is 60 quid. So if I work out from there, I can go straight to 1% is 60p, because 100% divided by 100 gets us down to 1%. So 60 quid divided by 100 is 60p. So I want a ticket price of I want a percentage of 2.25%. So 2% must be at £1.20. Then to get 0.25%, that's a quarter. So I can just divide this one by 4. So 0.25% is 60 divided by 4 is 15p. So that gives me 2.25% is 2 plus that is £1.35. So from there, I want to work out the price for rail tickets. So it's the 60 quid to begin with, plus my credit card charge of £1.35, plus my booking fee of 0.80, so 80p. Which gives me 61.62.15. So that's the price for rail tickets. Right, cheap trains then. Cheap trains have got a credit card charge of 1.5%. I've kind of done working out for that already. If 1% is 60p, then I know 0.5% is 30p. So I know that my 1.5% has to be 90p. So now I've got my total price, so that's the 60 quid for the ticket, there's the 90p for the credit card charge, plus the booking fee is different on this one, 190, so that should give me 62.80, and that one's for cheap trains. So now, don't forget to answer the question, will it be cheaper for Nadia to buy the train ticket from Rail Tickets or Cheap Trains? Well, it's 62.15 from Rail Tickets and 62.80 from Cheap Trains, so it's cheaper at Rail Tickets. Right, question 5. So there's a table there that gives us a load of information. It wants us to draw a frequency polygon. So for a frequency polygon, you do the midpoint of the sections here. So from 0 to 10 is going to be 5, from 10 to 20 is 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and you just plot that against the frequency. So 5 against 20, so 5 is down here, and 20 is up here. I'll just put a cross at each of them to begin with. 15 and 12, 15. 12 is there, 15 is that one. The grid's a little bit hard to read. The next one is 25, 10. So 25, 10 is there. 35, 8. It's going to be there. 45, 6 is going to be there. And 55, 0. That is a valid piece of data, so you do need to put it on it. So those are all my coordinates plotted, and then I've just got to join them up with straight line sections. And there's my frequency polygon. So, next part, total number of branches on the bush. It's just the total frequency. So it's all of these numbers added up. So 20, 32, 42, 50, 56. I should probably write down my working out for that as well. So 20 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6, which equals 56. And the last part, the modal class interval. So modal is just talking about the mode, it's the plural of mode, is that. So all you're looking at is on your table, which of the group sections has the highest frequency. So the highest frequency there is 20. 20 isn't your mode on this, just be careful. The mode is that group section there. So it should be 0 is less than or equal to L, which is less than 10. Okay, question 6. 3 circles, area of circle A is 200. The area of circle B is 10% larger than the area of circle A. So to work that out, 200 times 1.1. So I'm doing 1.1 because it's 10% larger and 100% plus 10% is 1.1. So if I want to increase something by 10%, I can just multiply by 1.1, which is actually easy enough to do without a calculator, because it's 100% plus 10%. 10% of 200 is 20. So the area of the second circle must be 220. Then the area of circle C is 10% larger than the area of circle B, so I'm going to do the same thing again. Now I'm going to do 220 multiplied by 1.1, which is, it's my original 220, because that's my 100%, plus 10% as well. 10% of 220 is 22. So that gives me 242. So the area of circle C is 242 centimetres squared. Right, how much larger is the area of circle A than the area of circle... how much larger is the area of circle C than the area of circle A? I'm going to give my answer as a percentage, because it's all dealing with percentages so far. So I want to know how to get from 200 times something has to equal 242. So if I rearrange that and do that something has to be 242 over 100, over 200, sorry, that cancels down to 121 over 100, which means that that is 121%. So if circle A was 100%, then circle C has to be 121% of the size of it, so it is 21% larger. And that's it. Done.